International Agricultural Development NGO, Sasakawa Africa Association SAA, has been present in Mali since 1996. SAA was established in 1986 by Hideyoshi Sasakawa, founder and former chairman of the Nippon Foundation, former U.S. President Jimmy Carter, and philanthropist Dr. Norman Borlaug. Originally named Sasakawa Global 2000, the NGO adopted the name Sasakawa Africa Association in 1996. In Mali, SAA organizes its annual media field days to show the press its work on the ground. This year, for 4 days, from September 23 to 26, 2025, media professionals visited the PHTC, Post-Harvest Training and Trading Center of Mozambique, Fana District, Douala Region, and the educational plots of the Faculty of Agronomy and Veterinary Medicine, FAMA in Ségou.
Interagir avec nos partenaires sur le terrain, avec les producteurs et productrices avec lesquels nous travaillons au quotidien tout au long de l'année, dans le cadre donc de l'amélioration de la productivité agricole du Mali. Informer également le public malien dans son ensemble de ce qui se fait sur le terrain.
In the field, a delegation of journalists and Sasakawa staff witnessed the work carried out by farmers in the Fana area, particularly in the villages of Foloda and Mozambique. Thus, under the supervision of the Douala Regional Directorate of Agriculture, women received training in soil management, seeds, and access to fertilizers. This training is part of the implementation of the first pillar of the Sasakawa Africa Association's 2021-2025 strategy. In the previous farming season, between 900 kilograms and 1 ton of cowpea, as well as 2 to 4 tons of maize, were harvested in the Fana area.
La production de la fumure organique, les variétés améliorées, surtout précoces, parce qu'on ne maîtrise plus la pluviométrie. Ensuite, il y a aussi les techniques de labour. Il faut essayer de faire de bons labours pour ne pas trop dégrader le sol. Ensuite, apporter la fumure organique, comme je l'ai dit, diminuer un peu trop de la fumure minérale. Donc, inciter le producteur à aller vers la production de la fumure organique.
Sakawa bankala, furo yɛrɛ labɛn mbaraw la, nɔgɔ bi don cogo di, danni bɛ kɛ cogo di. U y'an dɛmɛ ni fɛn fɔlɔ min ye, o ye si ɲuman de sɔrɔli ye. Parce que an tun bɛ sɛnɛ kɛ ni si minnu ye san 20 san 30, a rendement ka dɔgɔ. Bon, Sakawa de nana ni siw ye, ka tila k'an dege si produit la, ne yɛrɛ ye si sɛnɛna ye.
Sasakawa has been collaborating with Fana farmers since 2012. The Japanese NGO promotes the inclusion of youth, women, and people with disabilities. It considers women to be a pillar of the family and society. This is why 70 women are working in the maize and groundnut demonstration plots in Foloda.
An bɛ kɛnɛba dɔ dan fɔlɔ foro la ka taa hali ni tigasi ma bɔ I b'o don ara ten jango ka baara kɛ bon u ka kalan n'u ka dɛmɛ kama an y'o dabila ani foro kan ka da dugukolo yɔrɔ minnu na ani foro nɔgɔ doncogo u nana o bɛɛ kalan k'an kun an y'o bɛɛ kalan sɔrɔ tiga yɛrɛ kan ka labalo cogoya min na n'an nana ka na tigasi nana da aw ma n'a ye foro kuru sanni ka foro kuru a bɛ farafinnɔgɔ k'a la n'an ye farafinnɔgɔ k'a la an b'a kuru farafinnɔgɔ in da la.
Tout est lié contre à ces femmes-là. Donc quand on les néglige, c'est qui veut dire qu'on n'a pas pris la chose par la bonne partie.
Partnership with the farmers in this area is extremely important to ensure that we are part and parcel of the agriculture transformation in this country.
A good harvest is expected as dozens of 100 kilogram bags are anticipated from the women's half-hectare groundnut field. This technique of cultivating small fields for quality yield is a major innovation of the Japanese NGO. These techniques are also part of Sasakawa Africa Association's strategy to combat the effects of climate change.
Anga bara e kaw deme aw sika ko dugolo yakuba chogodi akaw nafa dunga faka sabati.
Les formateurs là aujourd'hui sont en mesure de mener les formations à bien et qui il peut dire que les objectifs ont, même si c'est pas atteint à 100%, on peut dire qu'à 80-90% ont été atteints.
In addition to regenerative agriculture, Sasakawa Africa Association works in nutrition-sensitive agriculture, which is the second pillar of its strategy. Farmers do not just focus on cultivation. In practice, they have also learned to balance their diet and make it rich and varied by using local produce.
Alukene sabati basa fen fenganga adamade kolo fenge ubebala fundendo nambala kolo sinsi nambala farkolo ere tangala nambala anga baloko akuntete basa akuntene bekala an kon dumuni tobi tendron ni koko ya se mafajara.
We are very happy to be here in the field today, to be able to see what our farmers are doing in the field, to be able to support the food security situation in Mali.
The results are satisfying. Thanks to SAA, dozens of families across different intervention villages are now able to meet their needs. In the Fana district, the Sasakawa Africa Association (SAA) supports 10 villages. The NGO does not just assist farmers, it also connects them with buyers. Similarly, it introduces them to agricultural insurance through networking and intermediation workshops, trade fairs, and meetings with other institutions. Furthermore, the third pillar of Sasakawa's strategy, which is market-oriented agriculture, adds value to the local economy. For example, last year, the Mozamblena cooperative accessed over 5 million francs CFA.
Deux microfinances ont accepté d'accompagner les producteurs de Sasakawa sur la base d'une signature d'un memorandum of understanding entre Sasakawa et les institutions de microfinance, à savoir RMCR et Nyasigiso.
Anga soro annafa be ke mini anga dugu kono ya ambi abla anga dugu furu ba kesula ambi bo folo kata juruta bangula ambi dom na ko mi bi muso sita on ve ko bangi jurube muso ni.
To ensure close monitoring, the NGO employs extension agents or intermediaries who directly support the producers. They are trained and, in turn, train the farmers on the technical, economic, and nutritional aspects of their crops. The training also covered agricultural entrepreneurship, developing bankable business plans, and financial literacy.
Les élèves paysans qui sont là pour accompagner ce qu'on appelle les producteurs. Et ces agents de vulgarisation, Sasakawa a mis en place des filières au Mali qui permettent de les former davantage, de renforcer leurs capacités en termes de vulgarisation agricole.
Mon intervention consiste à les former et à les aider à faire la production. Surtout quand on parle de la nutrition, on parle de production d'abord, pour qu'elles arrivent à produire. Et produire, ce n'est pas faire des grandes parcelles, des petites parcelles de démonstration. Et on peut faire une grande production dans ces petites parcelles.
Bam 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 bam.